everyone, and welcome to Louise McKay Art. And I'm going to do a lot of voicing over today because this video I had music playing in the background because I wasn't planning on sharing this video because these coasters were mostly test tiles because I unleashed my first little piggy and I let it out of the corral, and wait till you see the results. I can't even believe it. So back to this, I am laying down the colors, and I'll have all the colors listed in the description, and I'll have them pop up in text as we go. But yeah, I'm completely blown away by this, and I'm just going to let the coaster speak for itself. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to turn on some music, let the video play, and then there's a point at about 4.5 minutes in where I tell Alexa to turn off the music because I am so gaga over what happens. I decide I'm going to talk. And I also want to throw in here before I forget, the TLP is mixed with the Behr 8300 High Gloss and the Josanya. That's the only one with that pouring medium. The others are still mixed with my Glidden and Josanya. So it just goes to show you that it doesn't even necessarily matter, I don't think, what pouring medium, as long as all your consistencies are working together. And I have to admit here, about a year ago, I was saying I have to earn the using of a piggy. I had to feel like I had learned my way, understood enough about color and the process before I could finally give myself the privilege of using the piggies. So I feel like I've gotten to that point, and now here we are. So it's a short video, and we'll just let this roll. So here comes the music, maestro. So I'd like to talk through the blowout, and what I do, I'm first blowing straight down into the cell activator to get it to form a ridge around. Once I see the ridge and some cells form, then I blow at the ridge to blow the cell activator over the paints and the paints over the pillow. And I keep going around in the circle until all my cell activator is dispersed. And I'll have to say this really was a good blowout this time. And for anyone new, all I'm doing here is pulling the pillow to the edges and the sides so that when I get ready to spin, the colors will have a nice place to flow to as the paints start to stretch across the coaster. This is glorious. Holy God. Well, I think I'm going to be addicted. Holy Lord. Wow. Wow. And this is just with one Peggy. One. And it's with a mixture of pouring mediums. I mean, this thing is complete everywhere, this piece. It's got colors, mixtures, combination pouring mediums, and holy cow. It's all about consistency. All of your paints need to be working together in the right consistency. Oh my God. Oh. No BS here. This thing. Wow. This is amazing. Just one more to try to get that little bit off over there. And then I'm going to call it done. All right, looks good. Yep. One little piggy in the corral, and that little bad boy. Holy God. This over here, it's all blended. It almost looks like stained glass. The cells over here are amazing. The lacing over here is unbelievable. And this is like a combination of all of it. Color blended, cells, and lacing. I mean, I'm a gaga right now. I've never tried a piggy out. But now, I'm going to have to be incorporating these in some of my paints because this is unbelievable. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. It's beautiful. Wow. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video despite all of my silliness. Here are all the coasters that I created with that combination, and for sure I'll be doing more. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials, and you'll see my Bloom Coaster playlist at the end. Thanks a lot, and take care now.